Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own concoction of all-natural deodorant using just 2 ingredients. Baking soda and coconut oil. I like to make my own deodorant because commercial deodorants are expensive, bulky, heavy, and contain lots of harmful chemicals that I don't want to take out into nature with me. First, sterilize your plastic container with rubbing alcohol. Then you're going to take 1 teaspoon of baking soda and combine it with 2 teaspoons of melted coconut oil. Melt the coconut oil in the microwave for a few seconds before you measure and mix it, and it will make your life a whole lot easier. If you want, you can add a couple of drops of essential oils to make yours scented, and then you'll just let the mixture cool and solidify and apply it with your fingertips. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to start with a really small amount of baking soda and work your way up. Thanks for watching.